In this House of Logic video, we're going to explore the OVA import feature in Proxmox 8.3. So you're going to want to start, by going to the data center section of the Proxmox user interface, and you want to go to storage. Now, within storage, you need to find the storage where you want to download your OVA templates and where you're going to then import them from. So the first thing you want to do is to go in here, and you're going to want to set the actual data type to allow for import, and then click OK. Now there's actually a step I'm deliberately missing, which is to set the actual local disk image type, and you'll see why in a moment, so that we can actually see the type of error message that you might encounter. So you can now go over to your local storage, and you can find the import section. Now, what you can then do is click download from URL, and I've already got an OVA available here on the MikroTik website for their cloud-hosted router. So if I copy the link address from there and go back to Proxmox, I can paste that in there, query the URL to get the file name, and then click download. So a nice small 32 meg image. So that won't take very long. In fact, I think that has actually already finished downloading. Give that a second. Yep, there we go. That's done. Right, now if I go over to my import functionality here, the import section, and I hit import, I'm presented with all of the available normal options. I'm going to change the disk type to host. So it's just as if I'm setting up a normal VM. We've got some advanced options. We're going to go with all the defaults here, and then I'm going to click import, and it fails spectacularly with error 400. So import working storage, local does not support images content type, or is not file based. And that's actually telling you what the problem is. So if we hit OK, what we've got to do, we'll just come out of that, is we'll go back to the storage configuration underneath data center, and go back to the local storage. And what it is, as I mentioned, is it doesn't have the disk image type selected. So when you're setting this up, you want to make sure that you've got both disk image and import selected. Okay, so we'll hit that. Then we're going to go back to the local storage, and we'll try again. So again, the only option we have to change here is the CPU type, because I'm just going to use pass-through for host, and then hit import. And there we go. That has, in fact, completed nice and quickly, successfully, and we can, in fact, then go and power that on. If we can get to the right view for it, there we are, and we can start that up. Okay, there you go. You can see it started. So that's about it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if that's your kind of thing. Otherwise, we'll catch you next time. Bye now.